Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to find Kylie inside of Abiotic Factor. She's a woman who's just a brain in a jar, and you can save her and you can stick her inside of like a little brain chip and take her to the end of the game to get an achievement. So first off, you're going to need to have unlocked the docks area of Abiotic Factor in the Hydroplant. You're going to want to have a diving suit and equip that bad boy right here, and you're also going to want to have built a hyper dense neural chip. This is going to require you to have dived around in the water and collected some of the growths underwater, the big red ones that are made out of crystals, and also have killed some of the robots to get their CPUs. Once you've gotten those components, you'll be able to craft this. This is what we're going to need to actually rescue her. So to find her, come down here to the docks area where the submarine is. And we're going to progress past the submarine. And we're going to look for a grate over here next to this elevator, which appears to have been broken out. So we're going to go inside of here. And then we're going to go down into these fan blades, and we're going to go into the tunnels below. This is why you need the scuba suit, because otherwise you'd probably drown before you finish going through here. So you'll come out over here, and we're looking to kind of get back into this area over here where the manufacturing is, which means we're going to have to go up here and dink around inside of these air ducts. Now be aware that we're going to have to kill a zombie, so have your weapon ready. He's right here. He's chilling out. We'll just whack him. You can also get the suit for the Hydroplant by messing with this dead body. This is the old robotics manufacturing facility for the security bots. You can swim all the way back here, and in this bin in the middle is going to be a figurine. You can grab that little bobblehead of one of the robots to decorate your base. And then you're going to want to swim all the way back over here just behind the assembly line and go through this blast door here. Following this all the way around the side here, eventually you'll get into here. And then you're going to swim down into here and go through this giant murder tube. Everyone's favorite giant murder tube. We'll get some more oxygen here. And this is where Kylie's hanging out. So now you can bring your neural chip into here and you can rescue her. She's this lovely brain in a jar. You can insert the neural chip right there. You gotta have it in your inventory. And then you'll be able to talk to her and bring her with you for the rest of the game. Now, spoilers for the next little bit. Eventually you'll find a robotics lab that's functional where you'll be able to stuff her inside of one of these robots. That's how you get the achievement to bring her with you to the end of the game, and she'll be able to help you in the final battle. So it's actually a good thing to have her around because she'll be able to help you out later with missiles. Who doesn't love a friend with missiles, really? So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how to find Kylie inside of Abiotic Factor. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.